A shape is a basic graphic element you can use to add accents, background elements, or decorative details in an open block. You can adjust its form, color, size, and position to create your own design. In the website builder, add an open block. Click plus and select the shape widget. To go to the shape settings, click the shape. In the first section, choose a shape. To resize the shape, drag the handle on its edge in the workspace. You can also set exact size values in the width and height fields. To scale it evenly, select the Keep Proportions checkbox. To rotate the shape, click on the handle above it and drag it in the desired direction. You can also adjust its position using the anchor point and position sections. You can style the shape using the following settings: background color, contour, and shadow. The shape element uses the same settings as other open block widgets. You can configure its anchor point, position, arrangement, rotation, width, visibility, and entrance animation.